Welcome everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing great. So today we have a very special guest whose bag is filled with awards and medals, Miss Preeti Dhopte, who is having more than 20 years of experience in training consultants. So I would like to welcome you, Miss Preeti, and thanks a lot for giving your valuable time.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shubham, for this golden opportunity.
Yeah. So, ma'am, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, hello, everyone. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have 20 years of experience in training. So, I have finished, I'm a JPC Solution certified training consultant in English language, train the trainer, voice overs, global accent, and life skills. Besides this, I am a public speaker and was a part of Toastmasters Club. I have trained 10,000 plus students in GDPI. So recently, I have started a new workshop in poetry writing for beginners. So
Okay.
above all, I am also a passionate writer and storyteller. Several of my columns have been published at international and national newspapers and magazines. So that's what brings me here today for an exciting interview.
Thank you, ma'am. That's really great. Ma'am, may I know your professional background?
Yeah, as I said, I have 20 years of training experience, out of which 10 years I worked in a corporate ITES industry of medical transcription. There I joined as a trainee medical transcriptionist, and within 6 months I was promoted to assistant trainer at management level role. And after which I never looked back. And after 10 years, I left the job as a unit and batch in charge.
Okay.
And after that, my training has been shifted to towards language and other things, which I never thought I would have, because training students in GDPI, it was something natural for me, as I have worked in various departments in my previous role. So after that, like, I have changed my career, and till now I'm working as a freelancer training consultant.
That's really great, ma'am. That's really great. Ma'am, I just want to know which course you have completed from Henry Irving Education.
Yeah, to take my writing to the next level, I have finished CCWS course, that is Certified Creative Writing Specialist course from Henry Harvin.
So, ma'am, how was your experience? How was the training?
Yeah, it was amazing with an expert trainer, Vandana Saxena ma'am, who with her unlimited engagement level and enthusiasm took my writing to the next level. And one more thing which I would like to mention was the course was perfect, like the study material was perfect within a stipulated time, and that was amazing. Means I had never felt bored, and every session was, I mean, like an eye opener, and I was learning so many skills which I had never thought I had in me.
Okay. So that's really great. It's really good to hear that. Ma'am, could you please explain about your achievements?
Yeah, sure. So number one is after finishing this course, within 3 months, I started to garner so many accolades by winning poems at different international and national literary platforms, that I have to create my own personal website on January 1st, 2021. And second achievement was within 6 months, I got 6,000 plus visitors on my website asking me to take their writing to the next level. And now the most important achievement, which I had never thought would have been possible without Henry Harvin, was I will be an upcoming author, and soon my book, Vivid Memories of Life, would be published by next month. And yeah, that is something I had never thought it would happen, because I was planning, but it never took place. And last but not least, in the month of August, I received a certificate and a medal from Litroma Publishing Services, which was in itself the biggest achievement in 2021 beside all these things.
That's really good. Like, that's really great experience that you have actually. So, ma'am, after having this type of experience, after having this achievements, what do you think? What is your success mantra?
My success mantra is to follow one's heart. I always follow my heart. So I had been, I had been delaying this process of writing since 8th standard.
Okay.
And, I was able to come into this writing field in 2009 when I finished my news reporting course. And after which I started to write. But in 10 years of writing columns, I felt like I should take my writing to the next level. But I didn't know from which institute shall I do this course. And thank you to lockdown that I got a wonderful opportunity to do this online CCW course, which has, when I begin my writing journey, I thought it would just be, like a passion or just like a skill. But now I feel that I have reached to a destination, because this book will help me to reach to my first destination, which in itself is a dream come true for me.
That's really good, ma'am. So, ma'am, what will be your advice for future aspirants?
My advice for future aspirants is to build a network. Say before doing this course, I have only 150 people in my FB group. Now I have 800 plus people. So for those who would like to join this course, the first thing is it would help you to build a network. The second thing, it would help you to build your own authority by writing a book. And last but not least, you would be able to expand your business. Like for me, I had never thought that poetry writing would be a niche for me to create business. But now I am conducting poetry writing workshops for beginners. So I think the newcomers will get a lot of opportunity after doing this course. It will help them to take their writing to the next level.
It's really great. Thanks a lot, ma'am. This was a really great thing. Like, I have understood all the things from your part. Like, you have shared your experience. Thanks a lot for giving your time. Have a good day, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shubham. It was really nice talking to you.
Welcome, ma'am.